ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Agreement.
ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು? ರೋಡ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದ?
No, including road, 11 guntas was sold, my lordship.
ಇದ್ರ ರೋಡ್ ಇಂದ ಆಚೆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾರ್ದು?
Outdu Swami.
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
It is the 11 guntas to use by the plaintiff to reach his other properties.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ?
My lordship, Annex D, page number 34, my lordship.
31.
31, my lordship. Ide, may I read the entire document?
No, relevant ಓದ್ರಿ. ಕುಷ್ಕಿ ಬಾಪ್ತ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವಾಗಿದ್ದು ರಸ್ತೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನ ಅನುಭವದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಮತ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನವರು ಸದರಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವದಾರರಾಗಿ ಕಣ ಹಿತ್ತಲು ವಗೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರಗಳು ಸಹ ಇದ್ದು ಅನುಭವದಾರರಾಗಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ತಕರಾರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವಾಗಬೇಕಾದ ಸದುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಚಕ್ಕುಬಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ 11 ಗುಂಟೆ ಕುಷ್ಕಿಯನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಹಕ್ಕಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಬಾಬ್ತು ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯರ ಸಮಕ್ಷಮ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೈಗೊಂಡಂತೆ 1375 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಬರಬೇಕಾದ ಬಾಕಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಡು ಭೂಮಿ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಯಪತ್ರ ಬರೆಸಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶವಿಲ್ಲದ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸದ್ರಿ 11 ಗುಂಟೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಈವರೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇರಬಹುದಾದ
ರೋಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್.
There is no road mentioned, my lordship.
ಮತ್ತೆ
because it is a private road. After purchasing that property, they are using this 11 guntas. There is a private road because this is the only property to.
No, see, property which is sold to you. Is it includes that road or not?
It is includes, my lordship.
Where is that boundary? If that boundary, then there should be shows that there is a road in that.
My lordship, kindly in the sketch it is
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
in the survey sketch and this model as on the date of purchase of the scheduled property, there is no road shown in the property model. It is shown as
road ಬೇಡ. ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ರೋಡ್ ಆರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು, ನೀವು ಹೈವೇನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Whether that place is coming within that boundaries or not according to the sale deed. That is the issue. ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬಹುದು.
Please, my lord,
it is not that public road, it is there.
No, it is a private road.
Private road. First ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ 11 ಗುಂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. then ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ರೋಡ್ ಆರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮನೆನಾರ ಕಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now is that property is not coming within your boundaries. That is what
I am producing that photographs. It is clearly shows there is a road.
No, road ಇದೆ.
Please.
ರೋಡ್ ನಿಮ್ದು 11 ಗುಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಹೊರಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
That is
that you have to be established. Otherwise, trial court how they will grant, Mr.
Because this is the only property is available to the plaintiff to reach his other properties. For that purpose only it was purchased by your honor, my lordship. Kindly say that this document is wrongly considered by both the courts. It is an agreement of sale, madam.
In the agreement ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Please, madam.
You have to show that ಈ ರೋಡ್ 11 ಗುಂಟೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. If it is beyond 11 guntas, you have no right.
No right, my lordship. But
ನೀವು 11 ಗುಂಟೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ it is your property.
Please, madam.
Unless you show that it is within that 11 guntas, you can't.
But
absolutely there is no schedule. Absolutely there is no schedule. The document is not found as either a sale deed or road has a sale agreement. And what the petitioner claims that he has obtained possession of this document is not of this sale. And the original of this document roads are not definitely seen the light of the day even before the time of road this document is not produced.
Not only road, you are in difficulty to establish 11 guntas.
But my lordship,
the property what they are claiming to now purchase from the Mr. Virupatappa is not the property of his wife. It is not his property. And the property of our India property and how is the deal with it?
Yes, Mr.
My lordship, I should kindly say.
It is the prayer of the plaintiff before the trial court that to declare himself as the owner of the property by a adult possession. So, admittedly on the date of this decision response. And thereafter he claims for an injunction words in favor of the sponsor concerning the two owners of the property. Absolutely not such thing as order is not maintainable.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
My lordship, in the Annex E, page number 33.
What is the finding given by the trial?
Finding given by the trial court is consider this document as an agreement of sale. Agreement of sale does not agreement of sale does not confer any right to the parties.
Yes.
Therefore, unable to grant an interim order. Page para number.
See, you are seeking by way of adverse position ಕೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ agreement of sale ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? Your prior itself is inconsistent. ನೀವು either here not there.
My lordship, para number 20 and
Stick on to that particular player for an adverse position. You should not claim that on the basis of that agreement and all, then you can't claim.
my lord, para number 20, 21 is the finding given by the
Now
trial
you
court.
forget about road, I think you will difficult to succeed in the suit itself.
My lord, even though there is no, it can be considered to the entire 11 guntas, my lord, because there is no, I am unable to produce any document to show that there is a road. It can be, show that by way of appointing surveyor or commissioner, then only,
Yes.
because
Third.
there is no documents, my lordship.
In this writ petition.
My lordship, I make only one submission. Unless this 11 guntas, there is no other way to the plaintiffs to reach his other properties, my lord. There is the only other, this is the way.
Absolutely, it is all right. Here, there was another 18 guntas of the same property goes to the other portion of the property.
No, you take order from here, there is already an adverse effect from that two courts. One more adverse effect will become to that for in your suit itself, because when you are claiming for an adverse position, you cannot rely, when you are relying on the documents, you have purchased it, you can't seek for an adverse position. Then your title itself is under dispute, then you can't seek for any injunction. Simple method.
He wanted roads.
What you want? You want order?
Please, my lord. Please.
Thirdly, in this writ petition, petitioner called in question.
My lordship, I am requesting, kindly have 6th, I will take instruction, otherwise I.
Yes, at the request. Twenty one,
Maybe I was smarter by next week, after 9,
15.
Please.
Yes.